Welcome to the Peterbilt Model 579 EV driver tutorial video series. These videos have been crafted for drivers to walk through the operation of the battery electric vehicle Model 579 EV. Operating the 579 EV is very similar to the internal combustion version Model 579. However, there are some important changes that make the 579 EV unique. Operating the 579 EV does involve advanced safeguards compared to other vehicles with which you might be familiar. This series was created to address the operational aspects of the Model 579 EV. These tutorials are split into 5 episodes: safety, pre-check and starting and stopping, charging and battery management, instrumentation, and range and efficiency. Episode 1: Personal Safety. Prior to driving, it is important to complete a pre-trip inspection. Look for unrestrained cables hanging below the truck, especially orange high-voltage cables. Cables or connectors that are colored in bright orange signify high voltage. If anything looks damaged or out of place, have an authorized Peterbilt service facility inspect the vehicle as soon as possible. Do not touch, attempt to remove, or service high-voltage parts. Ignoring this warning creates the risk of serious injury or death to yourself and bystanders. Your Peterbilt dealer is the best place to have your vehicle serviced. It is best to leave all repairs to an authorized service facility because they are equipped to perform repairs safely and correctly. Battery electric vehicle mechanics are required to use properly maintained high-voltage personal protective equipment when servicing any Peterbilt electric vehicle. Electric vehicles can be very quiet in operation, even when running. Because of this, the vehicle operator needs to remain aware of nearby vehicles and pedestrians at all times. Your safety and the safety of those around you are very important. Thank you for watching Episode 1, Personal Safety. To learn more about the Peterbilt Model 579 EV, please watch Episode 2, Pre-check and starting and stopping.